angle y here, this y. Remember, O is the center of the circle. That means line AO is equal to line OC. This line. Reason is this one is radius, they're all radius. So reason we gave is radii. Radii is the plural of radius. So AOC, angle AOC here is equals to 20 times 2, which is 40 degrees. This place is 40 degrees. Reason, the angle at the center is twice the angle at the remaining part of the circumference. So, since angle AOC is adjacent triangle, that means the angle here and the angle here are equal. That means angle AOC, angle OAC is equal to angle ACO equals to 180 minus 40 divided by 2. This is equals to 140 divided by 2, which is equals to 70 degrees. This is 70, this one too is 70. And remember, this place still pass as 10. So the angle here, let's observe, angle AO, angle Y, just straightforward, angle Y is equals to angle here is equals to angle 70 plus 10. Yes, reason, the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. That means, angle Y plus angle 70 plus 10 equals 180 degrees. An error. Opposite angle of a CQ. That means from here we can take it as Y now will be equals to Y plus this is 80 equals to 180. So Y will be equals to 180 minus 80. Therefore, angle Y is equals to 100 degrees. That's all. Please share this video. All right.